Traditional wisdom tells us to cook country-style pork ribs low and slow, but today it's all about the grill, hot and fast. Country-style ribs aren't ribs at all. These come from the pork butt, which is actually the upper shoulder. They can be absolutely amazing. Now I'll start with a small pack of Boston butt boneless country-style ribs, bring them up to room temperature, then dry them off with paper towels. A light coating of olive oil makes an excellent binder. Now sprinkle on the rub of your choice on all sides. Of course, I'm using my Paw Daddy's BlindHawg rub, and there's a link to that video and recipe right up here. To get that grill ready, place your charcoal on one side and preheat it to 315 degrees. I'm using my Fireboard 2 Pro to control that temperature. Place the ribs on your grill away from the direct heat. Grill with the lid closed for 1 hour. But after the first 30 minutes is over, we want to flip them over so they'll cook evenly. After that first hour is over, we want to foil the ribs. Lay out a sheet of foil. You want to add some parquet or butter. Next, add honey. Now brown sugar or turbinado sugar. And to spice it up, sprinkle on some tiger sauce, or you can use Thai sweet chili sauce. Now place the country-style ribs on the foil, and then repeat the process with the parquet, the honey, the sugar, and the tiger sauce. Wrap up the ribs in the foil, back on the grill for 45 minutes at 315 degrees. Now when that 45 minutes is up, unwrap the ribs and put them uncovered back on the grill for 15 minutes. When that 15 minutes is up, let's take them off the grill, let them rest for 15 minutes. Now there's almost no waste to boneless country-style pork ribs, and of course they're 100% delicious. Hot and fast is a great way to cook them, and it renders out most of the excess fat. They're sweet, savory, and delicious. Now all you got to do is watch this next video to find out how to make delicious grape jelly barbecue sauce. You're going to fall in love with this recipe.